Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about statistics. In this video, you will learn about four things. What is the meaning of statistics? We will elaborate the meaning with just a simple example. What is the importance of statistics? And in the end, we will discuss what are the fields in statistics. So let's move on to the first topic, which is what is statistics? Please subscribe to the channel. Now, what is the definition of statistics? It is the way to get information from data. Now, what is data and information? A data are the factual information collected or recorded for reference or information. A data is mostly numeric, but it could have another form also. Information, meaning, understanding, interpretations that can be derived from the given data or facts. Now, what is the difference between data and information? Data is unorganized, while information is structured or organized. Now, let's have a simple example. As a student, for example, you got worried to take up or choose any particular course, for example, mathematics or statistics. Your course teacher shows you the data, which is the result of last semester in the form of grades or number out of 100. For example, this is the data which he or she showed to you. 53, 89, 76, 35, 67 and 72. And what are these? These are the result of the student in the last semester. Now, what type of information you will perceive from this data? At a very first glance, it will show to you that majority have passed the course. So you will feel easy to go for this course. Now, what is actual complete definition of statistics? It is a branch of applied mathematics concerned with collecting, arranging, analyzing, and interpretation of recorded data, including making conclusions and appropriate decisions on the basis of analysis. Now, why is it important to study or to know about statistics? For example, in our daily life, when we talk about per capita income, unemployment, population growth rates, housing, schooling, medical facilities, so all the decisions, rules, and regulations, everything is being done on the basis of the recorded data and the information after proper analysis to the data. Okay, for example, in health, the recorded data is analyzed to provide all the medical services and facilities to population properly. Example, the number of beds, it could be the number of hospitals and clinics also. Equipments, medicines, number of doctors. Okay. Now, for example, in education, interpretation of information can be utilized in establishing proper education system with maximum potential. Example, number of schools, colleges and universities, number of students or teacher in particular campus, number of courses or technologies offered by any institution. Now, in the construction business also, the information will help the construction business from their selection to build a particular type of facility or building. Okay, that particular type could be a hospital, could be a school, could be a residential, or could be a park. So, it all being done on the basis of the data and the analysis. Okay, in an area or even the particular type of material used could also be, the information could also be gathered from the recorded data. Now, basic knowledge of statistics is very important. It has almost application approximately in all the fields. So, gear up yourself with basics of statistics. Level up, learn about it. Okay. Now, what are the fields that is you can find in statistics? You could become a statistician, market research, data research, financial analysis, business analysis, administration of database, economics, software engineering, actuary, or data mining. These are the fields that you can opt in future if you want to take up statistic as your professional studies. It's this is all for today. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. And again, do not forget to subscribe the channel.